How to fix Lyft app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the storage box, type in the app name Lyft and then search for it. Once app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, make sure you have stable internet connection. Launch your settings. When you are using Lyft app, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also switch between the networks, Wi-Fi and cellular. Likewise, make sure you have given access of the location to the Lyft app. To check that, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Lyft. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option of location. Check in for the option of while using the app or always. With this, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App. After you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and then install it. So these are the ways to fix Lyft app not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.